Every crystal clear information, he has got it all right. Put your hands together for the man who has made it all possible, Venu Sangani, the director of Synergy. Sir, this wouldn't have been possible. 40 plus committees in a shortest time, and this is the biggest hit of all other years, and you made it possible. Thank you. One more time, huge round of applause.
Wow, finally the day is here. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. A warm welcome to Synergy 2023. I'm truly honored to be here tonight as we gather for the grand finale of ITserve Synergy 2023. Since my journey with ITserve began in 2016, I have had the privilege of serving in various roles, eventually leading to my current position as a Synergy Director. This journey has been incredibly enlightening and rewarding. Back in 2016, I was a regular attendee at the Synergy conference in Dallas, and I never imagined that I would be entrusted with the responsibility to lead Synergy 2023 in ITserve. It's a profound honor and privilege that I will forever cherish. One important point: while many businesses have struggled to meet their last year revenue targets in this challenging economy, but the Synergy team, meticulous planning and dedication of over 100 volunteers over past 10 months have driven the ITserve Synergy to extraordinary, unprecedented milestone. We have a historic revenue of 4 million for the first time in history. Not only that, making a remarkable 30% growth in revenue from last year, along with the 20% savings. This success is a testament to Team Synergy and our sponsors, each individual here in this ballroom tonight. We wholeheartedly thank you for invaluable contribution to this historic achievement in ITserve history. A big round of applause again to Team Synergy and sponsors. Without you, this is not possible. It is important to note that this year's Synergy, just not in a conference or an event, Synergy savings directly contributing to ITserve initiatives, CSR, policy advocacy, STEM education and various member benefits. Your support is making a significant impact on multiple ways, and we are grateful for your participation. Over the past 10 months, I embarked on a remarkable journey with one clear objective: to elevate the brand value of the organization. I envisioned this conference through the lens of world-class speakers, technology leaders, lawmakers, and legendary figures spanning several different domains. Our goal was straightforward: to provide unmatched leadership and value-added experience to our conference attendees, including the banquet night entertainment. During this journey, there were moments that demanded tough decisions, all driven by unwavering determination to align Synergy conference. I had the privilege of assembling the Team Synergy, a dedicated team of experts. Individuals volunteered their time, knowledge. Together we worked to shape Synergy 2023 into a blueprint of unwavering commitment to ITserve members, with the networking opportunities, knowledge enrichment, and the means to elevate their business to the next level. I wholeheartedly believe that our efforts authentically reflect our commitment to advancing and strengthening Synergy Corporation position as America's premier IT conference. To Together, we worked tirelessly to shape Synergy Conference 2023 into a blueprint for future leaders, organize unwavering commitment to provide members with a networking opportunity, knowledge environments, elevate their business. And I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone contributed to making Synergy Conference 2023 possible. Team Synergy, Team ITSR, outstanding speakers, sponsors, platinum members, elite members, committed attendees, dedicated volunteers, lucky charms, Bytegraph, and the Haras Hotel team, and all ITSR families, including my family and my wife. Your dedication and support have been cornerstone of this year's Synergies Conference, and your contributions have added to its grandeur. They have been a constant source of support, encouragement, allowing to my passion while my wife was taking the day-to-day business operations. Thank you all again for being part of this remarkable journey. Enjoy the banquet night and let's make it memorable one. Cheers to Synergy. God bless ITSR. God bless University of America. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Venu Sangani, our Synergy Director.